How to fix Square Reader fail to pair 2025. Seeing a fail to pair message when customers are waiting is stressful. Most people assume the Square Reader is broken, but here's why that's rarely the case. First, check your Bluetooth. Open your phone or tablet settings and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. If the Square Reader appears in the list of paired devices, remove it. This clears old pairing data that often causes conflicts. Next, open the Square Point of Sale app and sign in. Go to Settings, then Hardware, then Card Readers. Tap Connect a Reader and follow the prompts. Now put your Square Reader into pairing mode. For most models, press and hold the power button until the lights start flashing orange or blue. This means the reader is ready to pair. Here's the step most people miss. Make sure your Square app is fully updated. An outdated app is one of the most common reasons pairing fails in 2025. If it still won't pair, restart both your phone and the Square Reader. R-Cycling clears temporary bugs more often than you'd expect. Also check battery level. A low battery can prevent pairing even if the reader turns on. Charge the reader for at least 30 minutes and try again. The surprising truth is that Wi-Fi interference can also cause pairing issues. Move away from crowded networks if possible, especially in busy retail spaces. Once paired, process a small test transaction to confirm everything works. If you run a business, downtime costs money. Now you know how to fix Square Reader pairing issues quickly and confidently. Subscribe for more business tech fixes that keep you running smoothly.